Hello everyone, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your Instagram profile private on Android or iOS device. Images and videos posted on Instagram are visible publicly to anyone by default. If you use Instagram to share your personal day-to-day moments, sometimes you wish to keep that content private. That means you need to set your Instagram profile to private mode so that your content would be visible only to your closest friends. After switching to private mode, only approved followers will be able to see the posts and stories you upload on your profile. So here's how to make your Instagram profile private on Android and iOS device. So first of all, open up Instagram app on your device and go to your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the right upper corner. Select Settings. Select Privacy. Now, under the Connections tab, select Account Privacy. Now you see Private Account, turn it on. Unfortunately, I'm not able to make my account private because it's a business account, but if you own a private account, then there will be no problems making it private. I hope that this guide was helpful and you were able to make your Instagram profile private. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and visit our website at freewaysocial.com.